Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day here on multiple platforms, but our home is here on YouTube. Welcome to all of you. The aim of this channel is to be the most honest, real channel online. In fact, everything you see here is real. This is my real money, all of my real money. There's no money elsewhere. This is it, all on view for you right now. If I lose all my money, I lose all my money. If I make $1 million, I make $1 million. Live on the show in front of you. We've been going now for coming up to 2 years. Every single trading day, and you've been following my journey, I've been following yours, and together we have the most engaged channel online. In fact, 95% of my viewers on YouTube are actually members. It's the highest engagement rate of any channel in the world. We're very, very proud of that because it's real, it's honest, and that is our aim, to grow the most honest, real channel in the world. Of course, today it's all about Fed Jerome Powell. We'll be covering that live. Join us live here on the show. And we'll be there in person with Fed Jerome Powell, and we're trading all morning, trading in the afternoon, and breaking news throughout. Okay, let's get straight into our positions. Are you ready to rock and roll? Okay, below the screen you will see the ticker running. All the information there you need links below, all our social media and information on the show is all contained there below. Right, let's get straight into our trades and let's see what we're doing. Let me adjust my seat a little bit. There we go. A little bit. I'm a little bit high this morning. I don't know if I've stretched during the night, but my screen, I look slightly higher. I don't know quite what's happening there. Anyway, I'll see if I can sort of shrink a little bit throughout the morning. Anyway, let's get straight into our position now. Every day we go live here. If you look below, the upcoming live streams will show you all the events throughout the day. We're live at the same time every day, opening and closing bell. In between today, of course, we've got Fed Jerome Powell, you can see here. So if you want to join us there is the event. You can click on it and be the first to leave a comment. Get your front row seat for that event, all right? Okay, let's get straight into our shares and our positions. What we're going to do first of all was we're going to go across to my main screen and look at all of my live positions. You ready? So first of all, here is my main brokerage position. This is where I just hold cash. I earn 4.4% on Robinhood. So you can see I've got 2,759 in my buying power. And the rest of the money is invested. I don't sell anything here because I don't pay any tax. I just hold it long term. We go into my Roth IRA. Now, this is where you can trade. Now, it says I've got $35 in buying power. I've got more than that. I've got 769. It's because it's already placed to buy orders should we drop. Things I want to buy that I want to sell. Some things I hold, some things I sell, but I can trade for free and I can trade tax-free as well. Overall, $53,000, that's my entire value. Now then, because I've had to buy this new computer, this Mac Studio, in the last couple of days recently, I'm going to have to sell. I'm going to have to move some of that money that's in the buying power back in the bank to pay off my credit card, my Apple card. I can't afford, I'm not making enough on YouTube. That's my only source of income. I'm going to have to send some money back to pay towards the first month's installment for my Mac Studio. Anyway, let's get straight into the trades and go through all our positions. Here we go. The S&P is up 0.23. Virgin Galactic is flat today. Virgin Orbit now down to 7 cents, being delisted. Can't believe it's taken so long, but that's the way it goes. Rivian is up 0.55. Tesla is up 0.19. Lucy is up 0.14. Apple, these are all my live positions, all my real money. Apple is up 0.36. Amazon is up 0.49. McDonald's is down 0.16. I'd like to buy some. It's still very expensive. Coca-Cola down 0.11. J&J is flat pretty much. Google is up slightly. I can trim off. I bought just a couple of Googles yesterday. I could trim off. I've only made 1.1%. However, it's a couple of bucks. Every penny counts, especially now I need every penny I can. We can always buy it back later. It's made a profit. That's my Roth. I can do that. We are looking to sell Tesla at 185, but it hasn't got there yet. Microsoft up 0.59, Walmart up. Still want to buy it, just keeps getting more and more expensive though. And next year, energy is flat. I've got those dividends. Enphase up 0.27. I'm down 32% on my Enphase energy in my main account. Ouch. 32%. Not good at all. I'm down 8.8%. Yeah, Enphase energy let me down a little bit. Losing some money there, but I'm holding it. I believe in that. Right. Bitcoin. Let's just change the view of Bitcoin a minute. There we go. That's how I like it to look. Right, Bitcoin is down very slightly today. Tilray Brands up 0.88. Now, you might notice above my head it says 44 days to 1 million views. That was before we lost a week that I was offline. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that, but we'll keep it there for now. Let's see who's here first. So today could be big. Yes, it could. Or all just priced in. It's all priced in, but the reaction is what he says afterwards. Keaton S. Good morning to Keaton S. There he is. Glad to have you back. Sensei Crypto is here. Hang on, let's scroll down. Hassan L. Good morning, everyone. Just popped in. It's my birthday. Bought myself some silver coins. We've got to celebrate your birthday then, Sensei. Will you be here? Will you be here after the bell so we can do birthday? Or we could do it now. Louis Cottrell, how are you? Arrival is coming. Short squeeze. I wouldn't touch Arrival. Arrival is all but over. ETORO, a super chat. I've got a super chat here from Sensei Crypto. Is one of our sponsors. Thank you so much indeed for that. Every penny counts really a lot now with this new computer that I bought. You might notice things look a bit better. Sensei Crypto, thank you for that. Let me celebrate. Here we go. It's a super chat from Sensei. Here we go. Yes. Thank you very much indeed for that. Really do appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed, Sensei Crypto. That's very nice of you. All right. Kevin Graham is over there on Facebook. There we go. Excellent stuff. Thank you very much indeed, Sensei. Appreciate that. Let me just check my super chats are working. Yes, they are. It wasn't showing up there. Don't know why that was, but we'll see. Right, Sensei, thank you so much. Right, your birthday. So, would you like me to do it in the closing bell this afternoon? There is your super chat on the screen. Would you like me to do it in the closing bell this afternoon or this morning? Let me just adjust for TikTok. There we go. Slight adjustment. Bit more. There you go. Just made a slight adjustment for TikTok. I have an exam I have to prepare for. We'll be in closing bell tomorrow. Well, when would you like me to do your birthday? You've got a birthday song. We'd love to celebrate with you. We'd love to do that. So when would you like it? In the next 15 minutes? Would that suit? Just tell me what you want and it's there for you. We've got to celebrate your birthday. Absolutely right. Meta today is up 0.46. And this is the event this afternoon. If you're going to join us, the FOMC report. Exciting stuff. Let's go over to our crypto bubbles right now for Sensei Crypto. Let me know what you want me to do about your birthday. And we'll be in closing bell tomorrow. Tomorrow, we've got to do it today, haven't we? Let's have a look at Rumble right now. We are running on Rumble. Let's have a little look, see how many people are in. There we go. There's Rumble right now. If you've not checked out my Rumble channel, you can. I'll just give you a quick link here in the chat. We run on Rumble as well as YouTube. There you go. There it is right now. Good morning to all of you. Let me just give myself a like. Always. I often get asked, why do you like your own videos? Well, why wouldn't you? If you love what you do, why wouldn't you like it? Maybe closing bell today will pop in. All right. Well, we got to do your birthday, mate, haven't we? Crypto bubbles, what's up today? Hex today, 7.2, but STX is taking it right now. STX is up 14.1%. The biggest losers today is FTT, down 7.1. There's the crypto bubbles this morning. All right, let's get ready to rock and roll. Good luck all trading day. I'm not trading too volatile. Indeed, it is. All right. Okay. Oh, I wasn't. Was I sharing the? Yes, I was. There is the Crypto bubbles. Okay, back to here again. I lost my place then for a moment. All right, we've got just over we've got 50 minutes to go before the bell goes. So we've got a bit of time to go. Let's see who's in this morning. Welcome to all of you. Let's have a quick look who's in this morning. We've got 30 people through the stream so far. And we're starting to grow again. We lost some subscribers while I was off air fixing my computer, but we've now hit an all-time high again. We've got it back, which is great. And how many are in right now? We've got 16 watching and 11 likes. Well, guys, if you smash the like button, it really helps. Subscribe to my channel. I go live up to 10 hours a day. Hopefully you enjoy the show. Click like, and it'd be absolutely brilliant if you could smash the like as well. All right, we've got 15 watching, 11 likes. Absolutely brilliant. Can't ask for more than that. All right. Okay. Well, today it's all about the Fed Jerome Powell today. That's what it's all about. We are preparing. The charts are watching. We are watching. This is what it's all about. Will we get some movement in crypto today? We will see soon enough. All right, but right now we are ready, sitting here, waiting. It will be a subdued morning. We've been through this before. Not a lot happens until we get to the main event. Anyway, stream looks much better quality, or is it just my eyes? It is much better quality. Everything about the setup, everything about the pre-studio setup in the morning is a fraction of the time. We're running at far higher bit rate. The sound is better. You won't hear any fans anymore because the computer is not even working. This is a Mac Studio, so it's not stressed anymore. Things move smoother. The ticker moves smoother. And if you actually go into the settings here on wherever you're watching me and see the little cog here, you can set it to Ultra HD. Look, Ultra HD, and it's dead smooth. All right, this is the benefit of this new computer, I guess, right? Got to make some money now. Anyway, welcome to everybody. Welcome, everybody. Okay. So, am I looping the music channel? I am looping. Oh, should we have a little look at the music channel? Thank you very much indeed. We'll go over now to the music channel and see where we're at now. We're not at 4,000 yet. We're getting closer every day. Let me have a look now. Let's share it on the screen for you. It was 3,400. 3,400. It's now still 3,400. Let me have a look. It's... yeah, here it is. 3,400. This is it here, look. 3,400. You can see we peaked here and we peaked again, and we're just a little bit down at the moment, but there you go. 3,400. It's just slightly over 3,427, but we've got to get to 4,000 watch hours, but there it is. Hopefully we can get there. Thank you for all of you that are doing it to try and save my music channel. Okay, this is the music channel. If you've not checked me out on my music videos here, all kinds of special things that you might like to check out. There you go. There's my music channel. Let me just share that with everybody. Share it on Rumble as well. There you go. I can't share it on TikTok, I'm afraid, but it's just Martyn Lucas in YouTube and TikTok if you go in. But there it is. This is my music channel. If you scroll below, I've got videos here with me doing the Lion King and Sir Elton John's jacket. I won when I got the World Piano Man title. There you go. Jesus Christ Superstar, Phantom of the Opera, my Vegas showgirls. Look, with the Las Vegas show I did. Rocket Man for Virgin Galactic. Some great stuff there. Go and check it out on the music channel. All right. Anyway, thank you for those of you that are actually doing that for me. I appreciate you very much indeed. All right. Now then, we're just dropping off a little bit at the moment. As you can see, we are going down a little bit. The overall position. 53,000 we're holding above. All right. Welcome to you on Rumble this morning. How are you? come into the live chat. Let me know you're with me, and I'd love to hear from you where you are in the world. All right, let's read the comments. Do you see a chance for a pause by the Fed? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. But we don't know that yet. We'll find out shortly, though. Then it could rally. Yes, it could. That's why you want to stay in the market. I'm always invested. I'm always in. Friday night concerts are the best. Friday night, we'll be there. Friday night concerts, we'll be there. Look forward to having everybody with me. So look forward to that. Excellent stuff. Okay. Let's go for our positions. We'll check the news right now. Check on Bloomberg. And we'll check on Sky News as well. What have we got here? Let's have a little look.
Also, U.S. stock futures are trending positive this morning, but there's no guarantee of smooth sailing ahead. Investors, they're bracing for an imminent recession with all eyes on the Fed's key measure of inflation due Friday. Joining us now for an outlook on what's to come is Steve Sosnick, who is the chief strategist over at Interactive Brokers. Steve, thanks so much for joining us this morning and sparing some time here. There's a lot of conversation, of course, even last week about whether or not the banks were doing the Fed's job for them. And given the fact that this is perhaps the most telegraphed recession as...
We'll come back to that shortly when there's some more information, but we'll keep our eye on Bloomberg, Yahoo, Finance, and everywhere else we need to keep our eye on what's going on. I've just realized for some reason, I don't know why this is, but I don't know why that's on Bloomberg. There we go. That's where it should be. I should be on Bloomberg this morning. I've no idea how I managed to get onto Yahoo Finance. But anyway, I'm back with Bloomberg again now. Inflation not coming down. So let's have a quick look into this.
Is out 6 months.
We got audio, we got music playing there, so we don't want to play the music at the moment. We don't want to get a copyright strike there. See you later. I think it'll be a red day unless Fed makes clear it's the last rate hike. Exactly. That's what we've been discussing on our poll. That is what one of my videos was about yesterday, is the poll we are running on Twitter right now. If you've not yet taken part in the Twitter poll, here is the poll we are running. This is the poll we are running. What do you think the rate will be today? It's not about the rate. It's about what he says afterwards. Will he say afterwards that this is the last rate hike, or will he be like he normally is and say we will just see as it goes and we'll keep our eye on the figures and we'll look at it later? That's normally what they say. But there you go. Go and vote on the poll. I've put the poll in the chat for you 3 times so you can see it. If you're watching me over on Rumble, let me just visit my Rumble guests and give you the link to the poll as well. Post it 3 times so you can see it. There you go. If you want to take part in our poll this morning, welcome to you. Joe, good morning. Good morning to you. It's lovely morning this morning here in Dallas, Texas. Welcome to you. Virgin Galactic is up 0.29. The overall market is up very slightly. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla going back down. We want to try and take it at 185. We're also looking at Google this morning, if we can take some profit from there. Microsoft. There's a few things here I can trim off, but primarily it's Tesla I want to 185. If I can just get to 185, I can sell a couple of shares at 185. My average is at 163. So, you know, my average... Oh, hang on a minute. I beg your pardon. That's my brokerage account. My Roth, that's more like it. I thought that was wrong. My average is 172, but I can't sell until 185 because the FIFO rule, first in, first out, remember. Very, very important to remember. Anyway, ready to rock and roll. How is everybody this morning? Let me see how many people we got in watching right now. We had a few videos go out last night. I don't know if you've checked them all out. A few crypto videos last night. Hopefully you had a little look at those. But today it's all about Fed Jerome Powell. That's what we're watching. Right, there's 23 of you watching right now and 15 likes. It would really, really help me if you could smash the like button. See, it's a 23 watching right there. It really, really helps the algorithm of YouTube if you smash the like button. Okay, so if you could, it would be very much appreciated. Shall we ask Mr. Mini-Me to come on in? There, let's bring Mr. Mini-Me in. Here he comes. Please smash the like button. There we go, 16. Fantastic. By liking the video, it shares it to more people, and YouTube suggests it to more people. So that's great. Thank you very much for considering that. Right, we're getting ready for the markets to open. We've got 40 minutes to go. It's going to be a big day. What's crypto going to do today in reaction? Yesterday, we saw Bitcoin go up. We saw a bit of movement yesterday on Bitcoin. But today, it's all about the Fed. That's what we're watching this morning. So we're getting ready for a big day on the market. Hopefully, you've got your positions lined up. Mohammed, I am 150% up in Metacade crypto because I joined it pre-sale. Congratulations. Shall we have a quick look at our crypto bubbles this morning? Let's have a quick look at our crypto bubbles. Let's have a little look here. Here we go. And as you can see today, the hot topic is STX up 13.7 and FTT is down 7.1. That's the information at the moment. All right. Tesla is just starting to come back up again. Hopefully we'll see Tesla come up this morning. I want 185. If I get to 185, I can sell a couple of shares because it's overweighted. If you look at it on my portfolio, it's at 21% of my Roth. It's too high. Needs to be lower. So if I can sell a couple for 185, I can make a profit on those shares and lower my position, and then I can buy back lower. That's what I wanted to. Congratulations to you, Jason Fallon from Australia. Welcome on crypto or Metacade. Mohammed is asking. There you go. Welcome to you. Tesla just coming up slightly. Let me change back to my, I was on my music channel telling you we're at 3,400 watch hours. Let's get back to there. Okay. And everybody on Rumble, welcome to all of you. If you are in the chat, if you are watching me live, come into the chat and say hello. I'd like to know who's watching me. Welcome everybody on TikTok. What happened to your project ECC? I have no idea what that means, Usman. No idea what that means. Sorry about that. Let's look at our crypto challenge right now. We'll be discussing this later when Sensei comes back in. But my crypto challenge, you can see, only invested $1,000 and 500 of it. So half of it is still in USD coin, as you can see. 519. So we're doing well there. We've made $105 just out of the 500. So our crypto challenge is going all right. Mohammed said 10,000 Metacade, not US dollars. There we go. I just did not have enough money that time to invest more. Just had like 10,000. Hey, every penny counts. We've got big traders here, small traders. Hi today, it's FOMC's Judgment Day. We've got our guest here today from Korea. Welcome to you, our guest from Korea. Shall we welcome in our guests around the world from Korea? Let me see if I can open this up. Normally I can open up a separate window. Why is it not letting me do that? Let's have a quick look. Why can I not open another little thing? Normally I click on that. And let me try it again. Normally in the morning I can open up at Google Translate. That's better. There you go. There you go. That's what I wanted to do. All right, so I want to welcome our friends from Korea this morning. Welcome all our friends from around the world and in Korea today. Okay, we have to go onto this screen to be able to do it. Otherwise, I can't play it through. But here we go. Here's our message to our friends, our guest today in Korea.
오늘 전 세계와 한국에서 온 모든 친구들을 환영합니다.
There you go. Excellent stuff. So if you have a native language wherever you are around the world, let us know you're here. And we'd love to welcome you in your language. We love doing that. I am 18, so I'm kind of proud of that money, even though it's small compared to here. Mohammed, listen, we've got big traders and small traders. You should be proud. Every penny counts. If you only have $1 and you can turn it into 2, that's 100% profit. That's all that matters. It's not how much money you've got. It's what you do with it. It's about the percentages, not the size of the investment. All right. Don't be concerned about that at all. It's fantastic what you've done. Congratulations to you. Do you have any info where viewers are located? No. I don't know where you are unless you tell me. There's no way I can know. On my analytics on YouTube, will tell me where my audience watches from, but I don't know individually, no. But I know where people are from collectively if I look in my analytics, but I can't see here in the chat individually, no. It's all about percentages. Best way to look at it. Exactly. Some people have got $1 million and they're up 1%, which is a lot of money. But you might have $1 and you're up 100%. You've done a better trade because you've got a higher percentage. It's not how much money you've got. Of course, as you get more money, you don't need to be up as much because 1% of $1 million is a lot compared to 1% of a dollar. So you don't have to take so much risk as you get bigger amounts to invest. Thank you, brother. Absolutely right. You should be very, very proud of yourself. 18 years of age, investing, saving is fantastic. Profit is profit. Great job, Mohammed. Absolutely right. Congratulations to you. It's brilliant. Well done indeed. It's all about percentages. It is. Right, we got half an hour to go before the bell goes. The S&P is up 0.11. Virgin Galactic is kind of barcoding. Look at that. That's not actually barcoding. What that'll be right now, that'll be algo trading. Virgin Orbit being delisted. Rivian is up today, 0.49. Tesla's coming up. We're trying to get to 185. Mohammed, I am 20% up on stocks and 150% on crypto in just 5 months. Well, that is very, 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 very good indeed. You came in at probably the bottom of the market. So the biggest lesson you learn is when you lose money. So far, you're doing great. But I just want to tell you, everybody is up in the last 5 months. Everybody is up without doing anything at all. Let me explain this to you. This is the most important lesson you'll ever learn. I came in at the top of the market. Did it for a reason, because I was going online with my YouTube channel and I wanted to be live and go through all of it. There was no point just coming in when the sun was shining. I came in when it was raining because I was building a YouTube channel, and that's what I do here. So look, let me share with you my account. All right, if I go to year to date, look, I'm up 7.69. To nearly $3,000, $2,829. Anyone could be up over the last 5 months. I haven't done anything. That account is just left there. That's just things are going up by themselves. They go up and down daily, but they're up on the year. Right? You just got to put money in and leave it, and it goes up this year. All right? Because we hit the bottom in December. Some say there's a new bottom to come. Maybe there is. Maybe there isn't. My portfolio is steadily up. since the beginning of the year. However, I came in at the top of the market. Look, I am down $40,000 on my main account because I came in at the top of the market and thought everything could keep going up and up and up. Well, you can see what happened. We spent the whole time going down. So the biggest lesson you learn is when you lose money. When you make money, you think you're amazing and you're really clever and you know more than everyone else. Just remember, everybody else is trading the same stocks at the same prices as you are. We're all in the same boat. If the markets go up, everyone goes up. Okay? And you could put your money in just one thing, like the S&P 500. Never trade it, never do anything at all. Just keep investing, dollar cost averaging, and you will beat most day traders. That's a proven fact over many, many, many years of history. So just worth noting that if you are up over the last 5 months, best lesson you could learn is realize that probably everybody is up over the last 5 months. Okay? That's just the way the markets are going. Okay? Who knew it could have gone higher? Indeed. I saved some cash, so it went. So I saved some cash, so it went down. I wouldn't be mad. I'll just buy new lows. Yeah. I'd be very very, very careful if I was you. What's happened here? Hang on a minute. Why is that changed like that? I have just lost a very important screen, and I'm really, if that's lost, that's frustrating. I've got a new system, and there's a few teething problems, but that is annoying if I've lost my trading screen. How am I going to get that back? Where's that gone? We've got 28 minutes to go. How can I get that back? I seem to have lost. It seems to have changed. I don't know what's happened. Edit. That's a bit annoying. How am I going to fix this? Okay. This isn't my computer. This is Ecamm Live has these glitches. I've just lost one of my important screens. So now I need to work out how to get that back. So, the only way I can think of doing it would be to duplicate this scene, call it trading, so it's a different name, and then change the screen. Just bear with me a second, guys. I'm just making some adjustments here. I've been able to do it like that. Okay. Okay, just bear with me a second. I'm just having to make some adjustments here. Thank you, Leah. Is that my coffee, is it? Coffee's just arrived. Excellent. And I'm going to make it custom. Just got to adjust this screen here. Zoom to app window. Thanks, Leah. We just got 25 minutes to go, and I'm making an alteration to my screen a minute. Okay. I apologize for doing this, but there's nothing I can do about it. For some reason, I've lost. Why is that going up? Should be customized. I should be able to customize the shape of it. Why won't you let me customize you? Can you actually see this as I'm adjusting it? I don't know if you can. Oh, you can see it as I'm adjusting it. Yeah, you can. I don't know why it's not allowing me to. Sorry about this, guys. Unfortunately, I'm just we've got a few minutes to go, so I'm okay to do it for a minute, but I'm just having to try. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Ah, okay, I've sussed that out now. You have to drag that one. Okay. Aha. Actually, this actually might end up better than it was before. It's very often, like I was just saying about you learn things when things go wrong. You absolutely do more than you do when things go right. Because I've actually been able to do this better. And in fact, this is going to be a lot better now than it was before. Yeah. I can make this even better than it was before. I like that. I like when things go wrong. You learn from things. There we go. I can adjust this and make this even better than it was before. So Tesla wants to be near the top. There we go. If I pull that down from the bottom. Nothing like doing a show live on the air, is it? Nothing like it. Unfortunately, I had no choice today because this screen is what we use to trade every morning. So it has to be on the screen at all times. Okay. Well, that'll do for now. I can tweak it later. That's got the most important things on the screen. Okay. Let's go back to our main. Yeah, that works. That works. It's not perfect, but it's close enough for now. Let me just take off those orange bands a minute. We don't want those there. There we go. Get rid of the orange bands. And that'll do. There we go. So we've managed to actually make it better. There you go. That's what I was saying about learning when things go wrong. You can actually learn more things because now that's actually a better screen than before. So all I've got to do now is change my Stream Deck buttons at least I'll just do one button just to fix it for this morning. Trade, and I don't know if you can see any of that at all. You probably can. Trading, let me see, where was that button? I'm looking at it. So sorry I've had this happen. I can't carry on the show without having this seen. And I don't know why it's disappeared from my show. Let me put it near the top as well so it's there physically. Okay. Thanks for letting us watch the rehearsal. Just kidding, it's looking nice. Yeah, I know. It's not supposed to happen like this. It's a technical glitch, and unfortunately, and not much I can do about it. During the live show, something goes wrong, you've got to fix it, right? It's frustrating, but there it is. But I've got it. I just haven't created a button for it yet. Once I get this button done, we can carry on with the show. We've got 15 minutes left to go, so we're okay. There we go. Finally got it back in. Okay, finally got it back in. Brilliant. So we should be able to go from camera one back to trading screen, and there it is. There it is. Okay, on the fly, it was done. Whew, stress. Right, let's drink my coffee. It's actually better than it was before. A lot better, actually. So there you go. Always learn from when things go wrong. Don't kid yourself, everything's going right all the time. Let's read your comments, see what you were saying during that. Clip this for a separate video. Well, yeah, you can do what you want, UNO. It looks better and better, Martin. Yeah, I think it looks even better. I didn't know that you could resize the window like that. So that's actually very, very helpful. Very, very helpful indeed. And it also actually helps when I do these languages as well, because you need system audio, and that wasn't built in. So look, this works now.
오늘 전 세계와 한국에서 온 모든 친구들을 환영합니다.
That works now on this screen, so that's even better. This is why Elon encourages failure. Exactly. I'm going to make that point. You know, you learn absolutely nothing from success. You learn everything from failure. It really is important, because when things go wrong, you can fix them. When things go right, you just think you're a god and you think you're amazing and you think you just can't go wrong. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. My computer breaking and losing a week's revenue at a time when I needed it most, and also spending like $4,000 on a new computer, and I only earn. Well, you know what I earn. You know what I earn every day on YouTube. You see me do it. It's under $1,000 a month collectively, all my money, and it's spending $4,000 on a computer is not good at all for me. But it's one step backwards to 5 steps forward. I know for the next 12 months, over the next period of time to pay it back, it's going to be difficult for me. But the show is a lot better. You now have a reliable show, because if this show went off air, if my computer blew up, I've got a backup. I've got a backup situation now, and this one runs so much better. The quality's better. You know, it's a good thing, right? It's an investment in yourself, but it wasn't good at the time, but it's better now. This is why Elon encourages failure. Keaton S is right. Stream Deck is the best. Do you have a video switcher? I've got 3 Stream Decks. If I can share with you, camera 2. Look, there's one Stream Deck. Let me just lose your comment a minute. There you go. There's one Stream Deck. See that there? Look. And over there on the studio, back there, if I move out the way, there's another Stream Deck just there. And there's one right next to it as well. Whoop. There. See it? One there and one there. Okay. Trying to get that on the screen there was a little bit difficult. But anyway, so I have 3 Stream Deck XLs that run the lights, the different scenes at the piano when I'm doing the birthdays and so on and so forth. And I have 3 main cameras. There's more, but there's 3 main cameras coming into a switcher. So I only have 2 feeds coming in to the computer. So that's how it works, yeah. So when I'm at the piano, I can foot switch between different cameras, which is one feed into the studio. Hopefully that explains the setup. But what happened then, Carson? I changed my scene, and it sort of deleted the scene, and that's what happened. In fact, that gives me a good idea there. Trading backup. Backup. I'm going to create a backup scene. So if that goes again, I've got a backup scene. There you go. Because that's what can happen sometimes. I don't know why that is. It just does. You know, things are what they are. There you go. I've got that scene backed up. It's probably the most important scene I have. Anyway, thanks for letting us watch the rehearsal. What about when you succeed? What about when you succeed in failing? You succeed in failing. Well, I mean, if you fail, how do you succeed in failing? You learn from it. You gain from it eventually, like I did there. But you don't win when you first fail, do you? I don't understand that. When is Papa Powell's speech? You've been watching Graham Stepan, haven't you? It's today. It's right after this show. Look here. There it is. If you click on this here, this is when he speaks. I'll be covering it live. Go onto this video in your time zone. You can be the first person to comment. If you go to it, I'll give you the link for it right now. It's on the homepage of my YouTube channel. And we'll be covering it live. You won't miss a thing. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it. It'll give it in your time zone. So wherever you are in the world, rather than me tell you the time, I just tell you to look at the video and it will give it you in your time zone. Okay. Right. We got 12 minutes to go. Markets are going back up again. Whoops. Aha. Okay. Now I need to readjust that because I've changed the screen size. There you go. There you go. There you go. Better. Bitcoin will need to be adjusted now as well. There you go. Oh, Bitcoin's okay. Bitcoin looks all right. Okay, after all that excitement, we're going back up again now. The Roth IRA is bouncing back up, 53,000. Our highest was 54.4. So we are off an all-time high, and we are going to have to take some money out of the account soon anyway to go towards my computer. Unfortunately, I don't want to do that, but I did not earn enough in April on YouTube. Unfortunately, I won't get paid until May 21st, but April's amount was not enough, so I've got to sell some well, I don't think I've got to sell shares yet, but I've got to use the cash anyway. Anyway. Let's read some of these comments. It'll be another upgrade, but if you ever get your hands on an ATEM, so along with Stream Deck, it's amazing. I like OBS Studio, but I hate the delay it gives for streaming. I use Ecamm Live and Restream. I prefer Ecamm Live. I know OBS is free, but Ecamm Live is a premium service. But I like Ecamm Live. This is what I'm using, and I'm now going out to Restream. And on Restream, I'm going to about 20 different platforms. Right now, I'm on Rumble, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Live stream cafe, multi websites, Facebook pages and groups. Absolutely fantastic. I love it. And that's how I do it. But Carson, thank you very much indeed. We celebrated Carson's birthday yesterday. If he wasn't in, it was a good day. A failure is only a true failure if we don't learn from it. I agree. Exactly. Life is a matter of tests, and if you just go through life not learning anything, what's the point? Right? What is the point? Anyway. How many have we got watching the shit? We got 9 minutes to go. How many got watching the show so far? 72 have come through. Okay. We try to get to 200 during the show. We are, unfortunately, having to go backwards. Taking a week off affects your account. Unfortunately, we are gaining subscribers, though, this morning. We've gained 2 so far, so that's looking good. But we are going backwards a little bit, unfortunately. Anyway, we will improve. This is a good one from UNO. He says, I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that don't work. All right. Good one. Good way of looking at it. All right. Okay, we've got 8 minutes to go. Let's check in on Bloomberg right now. Let's check at what's going on. Let's have a little listen in.
That's roughly in line with where our economists are, so I wouldn't necessarily describe that as out of line. But what we know about previous episodes where the unemployment rate has started to go up is that it never stops on a dime. You know, it always overshoots. And I think that's the risk that the Fed takes on board when they are, give people an incentive to pull their money out of the banking system and put it into a money market fund that has access to the safest asset on the planet, which is what the Fed is providing on its balance sheet. So I think, with the rate hike tomorrow, or today rather, that's increasing the incentive on the margin for people to seek safety in a money market fund as opposed to a bank account.
And that's the problem. And we're going to talk about that from the banking perspective in about 10 minutes' time with an analyst from CFRA. I'm looking forward to that conversation. How hopeful is this, Francis, that unemployment goes to 4.5, stays there, inches up to 4.6 next year, 4.6 again the year after, which are essentially the Fed projections last time around?
Well, I said that much of what we're seeing right now is very traditional from the recession standpoint. Housing goes, manufacturing goes, and employment is later. But there may be 2 factors at play here that are different in this coming recessionary environment. And one of them is the potential that the unemployment rate rises less than it has historically. And that's because there is a psychology of labor shortage, labor hoarding. A lot of these people were very difficult to get into their seats and
Okay,
roles.
we're just coming down to it in a few minutes' time. We've got 5 minutes to go, so let's get ready. Let's bring in the timers. I hope Jay Powell gives us some dovish statements if 25 basis points is a certainty. Yes, it's all about 25 basis points and we are done raising. That's what we want to hear. That's what we want to hear. Take part in our poll. Have you not taken part in our poll yet? Here it is. Here is our poll. Oh, hang on. Let me just bring up the 5-minute counter. We've got 20 seconds to go, and I'm going to give you my poll right now. We are running a poll. It's not just what you think the rate hike is going to be. It's your comments, more importantly. Here's the poll on Twitter. There it is. I'll give you the post 3 times so you can see it stand out. There you go. 5 minutes to go. 3, 2, 1. 5 minutes to go. Right, go and vote on it. But most importantly, not just vote on it. Give me your thoughts on it in the comments. let me know what you expect him to say. That's the important part for this. So, yeah, that's what it's about. And I've just realized, after what I've just done there, I think I'm able to... Yes. So I'm just thinking out loud. With that window I got on the screen there, I might be able to adjust that as well. Anyway. No, I can't, can I? Because I take it off the screen. Ignore me. Ignore me. I'm just thinking out loud. What do you think? Pause and adjust. That's what we want to see. All right. What do you think is going to happen with the FRC, which is now FRCB, and it looks like it's coming in at 0.41. I've no idea. I know nothing about it. Carson with a K. That's not something I've researched, I'm afraid. I don't know. I haven't got that information to hand at the moment. Pause and evaluate, says T.O. Roll. Well, we want more. We want more than that. That's what we've had up to now. We want pausing, and it's the last rate hike. We want some confidence that we are done with raising rate hikes. There is one advantage, though. Every cloud has a silver lining. I want to make a point that every time they raise the rates, it's great for savers. Look, if you look at this here is my Robinhood uninvested cash earning 4.4%. So that if that goes up today at 4.25, that'll be 4.65 or 4.7. That's great for me. It's great for people who are saving. So it's two sides to every tale. Anyway, we shall see what happens. Imagine if they go 0.5% today. 0.5% and then we're done. That would be a kicker, wouldn't it? No one's expecting that to happen. Anyway, we've got just a couple of minutes to go now. Let's see where we end up. 2 minutes to go. I wonder where we'll end up. Okay, let's see how we're doing on the show. 74 throughout come in so far. Thank you very much indeed. We're at 7,312, or we just lost one subscriber. It's a little bit weak at the moment. I've got not enough videos going out to drive it up. We are up, but we've just lost one. And 27 watching, 19 likes. If you could help me by smashing the like button. We've got 2 minutes to go, 1 minute 40 seconds to go before the bell goes. Please do smash the like button. It makes such a difference. 28 watching and 19 likes. By simply liking the video, what you're doing, you're telling YouTube to share it to more people. It helps us grow, gets more people in, and if you could, it really, really helps. Got 19. If you could smash the like, it really helps my channel. Okay, let's get ready to rock and roll. We're waiting for the bell. We've got 1 minute to go. Just a few moments to go now. Just over a minute to go. It's getting tense here. Where are we going to end up? Let's bring in the excitement. All right, here we go. We'll go over to the breakfast bar in a minute on Discord, where you can have your say, and it's where all the investors and traders get together first thing in the morning to say hello, send in pictures, and it's always nice to see them over there. Welcome everybody on Rumble, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, wherever you are around the world. Thank you for tuning in. Where are we going to go? Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. It's showtime, and we're off to the races. We go. Good morning, Sid. How are you this morning? Just dropping off a bit. We're still up. Smash the like for a green day. Press the like for a red day. Eric B, I like it. Thank you so much indeed for that. How many people have access to pre-market after hours trading? I don't know. Let us know in the chat. Sid Arthur from the Netherlands. Hello there. Welcome our guests from the Netherlands. Welcome to all of you. I think we should have a nice welcome, shouldn't we? Let's do it. Let's do a welcome. Let's do it right now. Welcome, Sid, and all our guests and friends in the Netherlands.
Welkom Sid en al onze gasten en vrienden in Nederland.
Very nice indeed. There it is, Sid, welcomed in from the Netherlands. Welcome to you. Let's have a look at what's moving. Okay, the S&P is up slightly, just slightly. Not looking too bad. Virgin Galactic going back down. I said it belongs at $3. That's where it will go back down to again. It's very, very weak right now. Virgin Orbit Q is obviously delisting. Rivian taking a drop. Tesla, we want to sell it at 185. Are we able to do that? Lucid going back down. I'll buy it at 6. Apple today up 0.72, 16% up. That's because of me going into the Apple store and buying a computer. I'm responsible for that. That's all down to me, that is. All down to me. Hello there. Thank you all. All good here. How you doing? We're doing well. Good afternoon, everyone. The big day is here. The big day is here. McDonald's. We want to buy McDonald's if we can. I've got buy orders in place for my favorite stocks. Coca-Cola is is down but edging up again. J&J. Safe money. There we go. Still down on it, but on my brokerage position, on my Roth IRA, however, different story. I'm up 3.34, looking nice. Google. Small profit in Google today. Microsoft up, but just falling back slightly. Walmart up 0.5%. The safe stocks are doing well. Value stocks that make money. 26% on that one share. I'm out of it really for now. Next year energy. Enphase Energy up 0.44. Down such a lot on this stock. Bitcoin is down today. 0.78. Tilray Brands up today, 0.7. Robinhood, down 0.89. In my Roth position, that's where I'm buying it now. I'm down 9.23. That's my main position. SoFi, I'm out of this stock now. IonQ, I've started to buy it back in my Roth position. If I go to my Roth position, you'll see it there. Look, I'm down 9% on it though. Canoe, I'm out of this one at the moment. Ford up 1.95. That'll please Church of Logic. Rio Tinto up 0.45. Meta today up 0.2. All right, the overall position. We're up 0.16. Okay, we're all right. We're holding on to our seats. Sold another share, another 100 shares of Space at a little profit. Very, very good. Congratulations to you. I'm not in the money on it and I haven't bought it cheap enough yet. Do you have any British stock? Yes, I do. I've had Rolls Royce and sold it. I've had Tesco and sold it. Tesco, look, supermarket. Yeah, I have some British stock. Okay. It's called ADR. It's if it trades in the US. Okay, looking good right now. Let's go over to our main positions. There you go. We're up today. Doing nice. Remember, we could get a rally, take some profits before Jerome Powell speaks. That's the key to today, right? There's the main portfolio. 40,000 is our record there. The S&P, the Roth IRA is coming up. Our record is 54.4. So we're $900 off our all-time high. What's your forecast about upcoming FOMC? Well, I know what I want to hear, but I'm expecting a 0.25 with not much information. It's why I'm not going to buy anything that's pumping up. I only ever buy things when they go down. I'm already invested, so I'm safe anyway. I'm moving. The majority of my money is in value stocks that make money. The S&P, J&J, Coca-Cola, stuff like that. At the moment, safe stocks, some gold, of course, as well. Walmart ex-dividend day tomorrow. Stock should drop. That would be the time to buy it then. Ex-dividend day. Let's look out for that tomorrow. All right. Welcome all our guests in Rumble. Thank you very much for joining us. Come into the live chat and say hello. I would love to call out your name and bring you into the show. Welcome all our guests over there on TikTok. Thank you for joining me. Going well. Now we're going to be here with you for another sort of 45 minutes or so, and then we're going to close and get ready for Jerome Powell. If you want to be there with us live, you can. This is the live event on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Here it is. Let me give you the link to it. If you want to get your front row seat, I can't share the link on TikTok, I'm afraid. I'm sharing it here on YouTube and in Rumble. That's the main event. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it pop up. Okay. And that's where we'll be very, very shortly for the live event. Okay. Things are rallying now. That's kind of expected. But what you don't do now is buy the pump thinking, oh, that's it. We're turning bullish. Everything's great. No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that at all. We're just very happy to see it go up. But let me have a quick look this morning in the Discord. We've got a few things happening this morning in the breakfast bar. Let me go on in. This is where everybody comes in every morning, and it really helps the channel as well. Stephen Lewandowski, good morning all. No sleep yesterday. I still have a 6-hour flight to go. Stephen Lewandowski is off on holiday to Hawaii, I believe. Lovely to hear from him. Mike as well. Let me give Mike a thank you as well. But the trip will be worth it. Yes, it will. If you want to go and leave your pictures there, and people often send in their pictures of their mugs, look, listen to the music. I love that one there from the Silver Surfer. Look, he's looping all my music. Thank you very much for doing that. Now then, if you want to call in live to the show, you can. I'll open up the broadcast lounge. The broadcast lounge is now open. If you want to call in, you can, and you can be part of the live show. All right. This is nice to see, but of course we're not buying anything. If we can trim off the top, we will. And let's see how it all pans out. Let's see, S&P is up, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. Now then, Tesla. If we can get 185 before Jerome Powell speaks, it's doable. It's completely doable. If we can get to 185, it could happen. This stock could do that. Then I can sell a couple of shares. And the reason why is if I go to my Roth IRA, I've got 17 shares. Remember the first in, first out rule, FIFO rule. You need to go back 17 shares. Some brokerages allow you to select, but on Robinhood, they don't. So the last 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and there it is, 188, 189. So it get to 189, I can sell 2 shares, and that will trim it back, and it will sell these for a wash. So it'll look like I'm making a lot of money, but I'm actually selling those for a wash. Okay, but I've lowered my average doing so, and then so 189. I could set a limit order for 189. I don't know if it's going to go that far, but I could do that. In fact, I will. Let me do that now. Let me sell 2 shares of Tesla. Sell 2 shares of Tesla. Let me do it on my phone in case it logs me out. We don't want to be doing that, remember? We've been through that before. Okay, so let's go to my Roth position. 189, if it's possible. In fact, what I'll do, I'll set a stop trail. I will. If we do get to 189, I will set a stop trail order, and I'll follow it up. Rather than just sell it at 189, I'll sell it at a stop trail order, and we'll see how much we can get out of it. You never know. It might happen. It might happen. We don't know. Keep our eye on it. The overall position's looking great, but this is really just a rally before the storm. See, looking nice. Looking nice. This is where everyone gets really excited. Look at me. Aren't I clever? I'm making all this money. Brilliant. Well, this is what we get before Jerome Powell speak. This is the chance to trim off stocks that you don't want to hold. Tilray's doing nicely now. Let's have a little look. Tesla is a king and Martyn is a god. So Martyn is better than Tesla. Love this guy. I love this guy. This guy's brilliant. He says the best things. Oh, man. He should be a member, shouldn't he? This guy should be a member. I don't know why he's not a member to our channel. Where's the invitation to join? Let me clear a couple of these comments away. Get rid of that one a minute. If you've not taken part in our daily best ever giveaway next Friday, here is the link. There you go, our best ever giveaway. We're giving away $1,025 in value, $125 in cash, and 15 hours of one-on-one training. A phenomenal prize, our biggest and best ever prize. If you've not taken advantage of it yet, every day we give away more free tickets. SoFi going down. Yeah, I'm out of SoFi. I'm not impressed at all by SoFi at all. Think we are due another bear market rally. What do you reckon? Wouldn't it be great? Do you want a rally or a drop, Martyn? Well, like I've always said, it's about when you wish to get your money out. And I wish to get my money out in 10, 20 years' time. So really, everything going down allows me to buy more at lower prices. That's ultimately what you want. You only want it to go up if you're looking to exit and get some money out. So it depends on your timing. So I'm not bothered either way. There's opportunity to be made either way round. I don't mind how it plays out. I'm fine. Whichever way it goes is fine by me. We'll just... So I honestly, right now, I don't mind. Here we go. Here is our Discord link. If you've not yet, if you are a member to our channel and you want to access Discord, let me give it to you 3 times so you can see it appear. There you go. There is Discord. And here's the invitation to join. If you're not a member, 95% of our viewers are members. and you get many, many perks by being a member. You get 20 times back what you put in. That's what everyone tells me. It's not about making me rich at all. It does support the channel. It's what I live on. It's what keeps this channel going is the members. But it's more than that. Once you become a member, I support you in everywhere I can. Here he is. Church of Logic is here. How are you, Churchy? The broadcast lounge is open for any of our members. If anybody wants to call in, the broadcast lounge is open. 2 + 2 is 4. That girl was I have no idea what that means. I have no idea what that comment from Churchy means. Do you think you will hold most of the same stocks for a very long time? I have this. I have my favorite stocks that make money, that are innovative, that hold cash, and so on and so forth. But I have my long-term positions and I have my day trade positions. They are two very, very different things. Look, here is my long-term investments. I earn cash. I earn money on my uninvested cash, as you can see there. 4.4%. That will go up today. That could be like 4.6 today, or even 4.7 maybe. I earn money there. And these are my favorite stocks. These stocks make money. These stocks pay dividends and so on and so forth, which I then reinvest, not automatically. I do it manually myself when it's the best time to do it. Then I've got my Roth IRA. Remember, I can trade in and out of my Roth IRA as many times as I want, tax-free. I take profits here. This is where we're trying to sell Tesla today, and my overall balance is 53,240. So that's how I do it. Okay. Let's read your comments. Hi, Churchy. Wow, made a lot of progress. Church, a lot has happened in the show the last couple of days. I was off for a week because my laptop broke. It's repaired now, but I decided to take an investment. When I set up this studio a year and a half ago, I was on a laptop, and my studio has grown since then, and my laptop works really too hard. And it's not reliable. Things were glitching. Things were all kinds of issues. So I bought a Mac Studio. And it's over the next 12 months, interest-free credit. I don't like doing that. But obviously, I had no choice. My computer broke and it could break again. It's being stretched. So I decided, I got it repaired. But I decided to buy a computer, a much better, much more powerful computer on interest-free finance. So I can... provide a better quality stream. You'll notice the quality's better. It's a lot smoother. There's no background noise now because the fans aren't kicking in anymore. The quality's better, but it's more reliable. And I have a backup system now. I had backup for everything. Backup power, backup internet, backup sound, lights. But I didn't have a backup computer. Well, I do now. Right, 189, I can sell 2 shares of Tesla. And if it gets there, I will set a stop trail order. That is the plan. That is the plan. Anyway. Lucid. We're down 18% on my brokerage. I think I'm out of it on the Roth. Yes, I am. Apple. In fact... if I can keep that, I wouldn't mind selling that. I'll keep my eye on that on the main brokerage. If I get a chance to get out of that, I will. Apple doing well, up 16% now on my main account, and on my Roth IRA, I'm not in it yet. It hasn't gone down low enough for me to buy in yet because I'm already in it on my long-term position. Amazon, I'm up 5% on my main position. Churchy, you said a lot of progress. What do you mean? Hi, Eric, says Churchy. Great to see you here. McDonald's, Coca-Cola, just taking a bit of a drop. I've got buy orders in place here, I would imagine. Yes, I have. There you go. It's going to buy in at 60. J&J, yeah, I've got a buy order there as well. Look. You can see I've got a buy order there at 159. Google up nicely today. Now then, we do have some resistance here. If you look back, these levels here, 108, around about the 108, we got some resistance. So I only bought a couple of shares on my Roth. I got more on my brokerage. But on my Roth, I've just got a couple of shares with the very purpose of trading them today and taking some money out. It's not that much, of course. It's only a couple of shares, but that's my position. And I'm up 1%, which is nice. If we can get near the 107, I think I will sell just one of those. It won't make me much profit. It'll make me, a couple of bucks, but it's a profit nevertheless, and it'll be tax-free, so it won't be an issue, right? Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Year Energy, I'm holding just for the dividends alone. Enphase having a nice rebound today. On my Roth, I'm down 7%. On my brokerage position, I haven't been buying in. I'm down 31% on it. Massive drop. Anyway, Bitcoin. Tilray. Let's have a look at my Roth position. I'm down 7.68. I'm not buying any more. The story is Tesla right now. 189. I can sell 2. That's exactly what I want to do. 189, and then we'll set a stop trade order. I hope I can do it. That would really free up some money. It would make a profit. It would lower the averages for real. It'd be great. Brings it in line. It would bring it back down to about, well, if it went to 189, I could sell the 2 and still be at 20% of my portfolio diversity. So it would still be a good position. 189. It'd be fantastic if I can do that. But we'll see how it goes. Let's have a look on Rumble. If you've not checked out my Rumble account, I joined Rumble. One of you suggested it was a good idea a couple of days ago, so I've done that. Thank you very much indeed for that suggestion. I've actually earned 84 cents on it in the first few days. Admittedly, 80 cents of that was a super chat on Rumble, admittedly, but the other 4 cents was actually income from ad revenue. So that's pretty good, right? In the first few days, I've earned 84 cents. Nice. Finally joined Rumble. Yes, this is my Rumble account right now. I have the Martyn Lucas account and I have Martyn Lucas Investor. And it's good, actually. I've earned 84 cents in the first few days. So, yeah, it's I've got 27 followers, as you can see there, look. It's going up slowly. It looks exactly like YouTube. But there you go. I think keep holding Google. Its numbers are really good for that AI race. I'm holding Google in my main position. If we go to Google, I want to add more. This is just my Roth position. If you go to my brokerage position, I have 5 shares. I have a bit more, 1.48 of my portfolio. I want to add to it, but on my brokerage account, Roth IRA, remember, that's just where I can trade and make some money along the journey. And I need to do that because I've got no income coming in now. It's all going to pay for my new computer. So I've got nothing to spend or live on or anything right now. I'm overstretched. For this next year, it's going to be tough. I've got 9 months left to go. It's been 3 months with my new phone. Remember, I had to buy a new phone as well because it didn't fall in. It was in my pocket when I went swimming. So for the next 9 months, I've got my phone, and then another 3 months after that, I've got the computer. And so money is going to be very, 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 very tight. It's very frustrating. Anyway, He's going to invest in Rumble stock soon, Church. I should probably buy Rumble stock, shouldn't I? Okay, let me have a look at that. Duplicate. Have I got any money to spend? I think I have, haven't I? Let me have a look. In my Roth IRA, I've got $35. Rumble. I should probably buy one share of Rumble just because I'm on Rumble. How much is it? Oh, there we go. Rumble. Okay. I'll buy a market share. Buy Rumble. Okay. Rum. I'll buy one as a market share, I think. Here we go. Rumble. Buying shares. 1. 853. There you go. I bought one share of Rumble just to be in. Just be part of the club, right? Part of the gang. All right, there you go. I bought one share of Rumble. I can't have you all having a go at me. Buy a market share. I just did. Yeah, I just did. He said Rumble back then doesn't do anything. I was here for that. Yes, it when I first looked at it, it wasn't a good platform for me at all. It's much better now. I'm able to be it pulls in all the videos I've uploaded from YouTube, and it's good. The only thing I don't like about it at the moment is I have to set every show individually. When I set all my shows, I do a week in advance every time. With Rumble, I have to set it manually every day. It doesn't allow me to create events through Restream. You have to set them individually. It doesn't talk to Restream yet. Maybe it will in time, but right now it doesn't. So I have to set it manually every day. But nevertheless, I'm on it. I've earned 84 cents in 4 or 5 days. We shall see how it goes. I was here for that. I ain't gonna it ain't gonna lose on the long term, Mo. Wow, Rumble still holding its value from a year ago. Said Church. Yes, I remember, Church. They just post people's videos on their YouTube channel. I remember he said that. Yeah, you can bloody laugh. Yeah, you can laugh. YouTube won't last long. YouTube won't last long in the next decade. Oh, no. I can't see that. I can't see that. Can you? Who knows? Who knows, though, right? Who knows? Okay, let's get back to it. Let's see where we are. The overall position is going up. My Roth IRA is going up as well. Let me just clear away my Rumble purchase. There we go. Right. So, where are we now? We're not at we're not anywhere near an all-time high. 54.4. So we're $900. Sorry, we're $1,100 away from an all-time high. 54.4. But of course, I do have money to come out soon, which will lower it again because I need that money for my computer. Did not earn enough money in April. I'll get paid in May 21st. But there you go. You moving to Rumble is a power move for your company, and you don't even realize it. No, I don't. The next decade is quite far away. But yeah, got to be ahead of the game, though, right? Anyway, YouTube are losing a lot of big names to their channel, to their cancel culture. If they don't ease off on these rules, they will lose more and more people, says Crag. Yeah, well, we shall see. S&P. Rumble. Going down. I just bought one. Virgin Galactic. In fact, let me just have a look at the position for Rumble. Going sideways at the moment. It's been as low as 5.95. Let me just read into this a little minute. I should probably just pay a little bit of attention to it. Rumble online neutral video platform. Let me just read that a bit. Hang on. Rumble, an online neutral video platform. The company is headquartered in Longboat, Florida. Doesn't say much about it, does it? 70 employees. Wow. Tiny little company. Tiny little company. Incredible. It's very expensive. We've got some members here for 15 months. Paul B. Happening, folks. For 15 months now, Lucas. Look at that. Paul B's got his gold badge. Church of Logic is still yellow. Be gold soon, I would imagine. Pays no dividend. Does it make any money? May 15th, the earnings. Should we cover it? Should we cover Rumble's earnings? May 15th after hours. IonQ. I'm doing IonQ. IonQ or Rumble. Can't do both. May 15th, I've already got IonQ. So anyway, I'll keep my eye on it though. May 15th, after hours, and Rumble. Also, Rumble, after hours. Okay. We need to celebrate. We've got a birthday this afternoon to do. It's Ali Tizro's birthday, Sensei Crypto. But right now, lots of artists are on Rumble now for music rights freedom. Rumble will need to address that soon. Otherwise, big labels will be suing. Yeah. Below $8 is a good price to pick it up. Seems to bounce up and down a lot around the $10 range. Thank you very much indeed for that. Crag. Nice one, Paul. And Church. Space taking a dive. No surprise. No surprise there. Right. We've got a couple of celebrations here. We've got some members. They've been members now for 15 months and 9 months. Absolutely incredible. Thank you ever so much indeed. Let's celebrate our members in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Thank you very much indeed, guys. Paul B, Church of Logic. Thank you so much indeed. Appreciate that a lot. And thank you for all your support. It's the members that keep the show going. It's the members that support my show and make it all possible. So thank you ever so much, guys, for that. Really appreciate you a lot. There you go. Thank you. Space. No surprise. Whoops, a daisy. Wrong screen. This is the one I want. There we go. Tesla, 189. 189, I can sell 2 shares. That's what I want to do. Lucid up 3%. Any time here for a long time, even though I'm not active as I used to be. Anytime here for a long time, even though I'm not as active as I used to be. I know, church, we know you're part of the family. Appreciate you so much. Your membership every month, makes it possible for me to be here. I don't make enough on ad revenue, hardly anything at all. It's from the members and the super chats, which provides me with an income so I can live. And it is, just about survivable. Right now, I've got to sell some stocks to pay for my new computer, but my commitment to you, like you commit to me with the membership, I commit to you 100%. And I hope that demonstrates it. I've just invested $4,000 on a new computer because I wanted the best, most reliable service so I could go live every day and have a backup if it broke. That's my commitment to you guys. So thank you very much indeed for your support to me. I really appreciate it. So we're just having a bit of a sell-off now, dropping back down a bit again. I'd like to get McDonald's, but it's too expensive. J&J, Google, it's just topping off a little bit. I only have a couple of shares there. SoFi, it's dropping. Let's have a look at SoFi. Yep. I'm not really into this stock anymore. After the CEO talked nonsense about the rate hikes dropping. When he said that, to me, that was ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. So anyway, from that moment, I decided I was not a believer of the company anymore. Rio. So we're holding up 0.44. Let me check in on my live Trimmer Cafe. Welcome to my guests over there. There's a couple of people streaming today. Dear Anna is streaming. Welcome to you. Arnold the Palmer. Well, the CEO is buying the stock. Well, good for him. But he talks rubbish. He said that we're going to have 2 rate cuts this year, and it's not just any company. It's a money company. It's a financial company. And he said that we'd have 2 rate cuts this year. We're May, and we're getting another rate hike. So the guy has got no idea what he's talking about. Nobody thought there were going to be 2 rate cuts this year. And that was last year, by the way. That was last year. He made that statement. It was 2 quarters ago. He made that statement, which was last year. And, we didn't just get no rate cuts. We had 2 rate hikes since then. And today we're getting another one. So the CEO of SoFi talks absolutely rubbish. So anyway, there's my opinion on it. You can decide what you like. Looking at our crypto this morning, you can see what's going up, what's down. Pepe is down at 12.6. I reported on it yesterday. It popped up yesterday. And STX is down today. Up today, 14.7. Ripple, XRP. Is that XRP? No, that's not XRP, is it? RPL, Rocket Pool. I thought that was Ripple for a moment, but it's RPL, up 8.9%. But our biggest loser today is Pepe, which, as you can see, is down 12.6, and STX is up 14.7. Let's have a little look. Louis Cottrell, space flight announcements anytime soon. Thoughts? Well, Louis Cottrell, I can't say right now. I still believe that Virgin Galactic is only worth about $3 at best. That's where I keep buying it and trading it. They will need not just a flight, they will need 3 or 4 successful flights in a row and a lot of publicity. The trouble is, Richard Branson isn't the face of Virgin anymore like he used to be. He's not that rock and roll character getting eyeballs on the stock. That's the problem right now. So it needs publicity. Look what happened the other day when was it China or wherever it was, went to the moon. Remember all that? No one even picked it up. It was on a YouTube channel. Anyway, so far it's below book value. Not that I'm bullish, just playing devil's advocate. No, I mean, at the end of the day, let's go and have a look a minute. SoFi, it's at 480 right now. We have to remember though, it's still losing money. It's still losing money. It did beat on earnings. It's going in the right direction, but it's still losing money. To be fair, it's going in the right direction. I mean, look, we've seen it continually, apart from Q3 of 21, we can see it continually going up, which is great. It's going positively in the right direction. So you could argue, what's its report here? Fair value $14. Uncertainty is high, of course. It's a buy or a hold. It's not a sell at all. A fair price is $14. What did it go here? 22. Yeah, overvalued there, but it's still losing money. Maybe it's worth buying at this level. Not a bad time to have a little buy, I guess. This year isn't over yet, and they're a Japanese bank. This Japanese bank that also predicted a cut. Maybe he's just passionate. Maybe you own Pepe. My God. No, I don't. I don't own Pepe. Of course I don't own Pepe. Of course I don't. Let's hope he steps out of the shadows to announce the flights. Let's hope so, says Crag. I remember it. You didn't believe me. That was Keaton S. Are you talking about the rate cuts? Gotta run, mates. Catch you guys tomorrow. Churchy, thanks for popping by, mate. See ya, says Tizro. I might consider it when it's all-time lows. Catch you tomorrow, Churchy. Nice. Yeah, all-time low on this one is 424. So it's going up a little bit. I prefer putting my money in Robinhood because that's a digital bank too. Think of SoFi as a bank. Think of the moon landing. Yeah, that's right. The moon landing. Yeah, I didn't believe it. I mean, it's like surely it'd be on the news, right? And that never got anywhere. Unbelievable. No, I'm right with you. Anyway. Markets are dropping off a little bit now. We've got 5 guests watching on Rumble. Thank you very much for tuning in. Welcome to you. If you come into the live chat, I would gladly say your name out on the show and bring you into the show. You can call in live to the show as well. Keaton let us know. He did. It's incredible, wasn't it? How can that, don't even get on the news? Incredible. Anyway, Rumble down even further. Let me see if I can sell a little, get some cash out of Google. I've got my long-term position. This is just my trading position. Limit order 10. In fact, should I do a trail order? 106. 60. Just want to sell one share. I've made a small profit on it. Still doing that security stuff. I wonder if I can do it this time. Shall I dare to do it? Let's see if it logs everything out. Yeah, in fact, I'm not going to do it because it will probably log everything out. Again, I want to do it on my... I'll do it here. Roth IRA, go to Google. I want to sell 1 share of Google. Trade, sell, limit order. 106. $55. Continue. Just sell 1 today. 1 share. Review. Just want to sell 1. There you go. 106.63. Okay. I just sold 1 share. Okay. So I've got some money now. Let me just clear that a minute. Back. Right, so go to my main Roth IRA. I've got some buying power now. I wanted to go look at Rumble again. It just dropped another %, couple of %. Good evening, everyone over on Rumble. Let me put that on the screen. Everyone can see that. There you go. Ah, he's over there on Rumble. He's posted on Rumble. Oh, I see. That's come through. That's come through from here. Oh, excellent stuff. Thank you very much indeed for that. So, do a limit order. $8.40. How many have I got now? 1. Just adding some more Rumble today. Okay. Just added a few more. There we go. Just added a few more because it went down. So I've pretty much wiped out my loss on it, if you like. And we'll see if we can go, if it goes down more, I'll buy a bit more. And that's why I'll slowly get some more into it. Anyway, good morning everyone over on Rumble. There we go. I've just bought some Rumble stocks right there. Excellent. Oh no, I thought we had a comment. No, we didn't. Eric, can I make you a moderator here? I wonder if I can do this. Muted users manage. I wonder if I can make you a moderator. No, doesn't allow me to do that yet. Enable slow chat, high chat, pop out chat. I don't think I can yet. Let me come back to see if I can actually make you a moderator. Doesn't seem that I can. Okay. I was going to make you a moderator because okay. No, it won't let me make you a moderator. Sorry, Martin, I'm at work. No, that's fine. No worries. I was just going to see if I could make you a moderator, but it won't let me at the moment. Anyway, not to worry. Right, we're going to do day trader of the day right now. The overall portfolio is going up. Google, we just sold one. And we just bought one. Sorry, we sold just one, beg your pardon. Took some profit from it. And we bought a bit of Rumble with it. There you go. Crag says Rumble is a great stock for day trading as well. Been watching it the last for a while you can move 30 to 50 cents quite easily in a day. Yeah, well, I bought some now, and the idea is if it drops 5%, 10%, I will slowly accumulate and then I'll trim some off the top and see how we go. See how we go. Let's take a closer look at the week. See, it's been as low as 789. It's got a bit of a way. It could go back down again. Here was 755, 837. I see what you mean. Look, you buy here, you sell here. Yeah. It's trending pretty flat over the last year, isn't it? Like you say, it's good for day trading because it's sort of up and down pretty much. It's not really going down. It's just going sideways. So yeah, good opportunity at the moment, I think, to make money on that. If I can get it for somewhere around the bottom of its trough here, if we can get it 810, anywhere around the 810, I mean, ideally it's even lower than that, but anywhere around the $8, somewhere like that, then there's an opportunity to be made there, I think. So I've just bought a little bit. Slowly adding it. We'll keep our eye on it. I'll keep it open on my separate device and then we'll see if we can bring a position in. Anyway, right now, we're trying to get Tesla to 189. It's moving up. Not there yet, but we're doing well. We do want to see if we can get it to 189. Then we can sell 2 shares and we'll do a stop trail order on it once we can get it there. Right, we've got just. I think we'll do day trader of the day now because I've got to get off and prepare for Jerome Powell. If you've just tuned in, please click subscribe and ring the bell. It really helps our channel enormously if you can do that. Let me just make a slight adjustment to this one. There we go. There you go. I think that should be in the right place if I do that. Yeah, I can live with that. That works there, and it also works there. Excellent. And if you could tap the thumbs up, that really helps as well. Thank you so much indeed for that. All right, let's do Day Trader of the Day. Welcome all our guests on TikTok, Rumble, Facebook, Twitter, multiple websites. Thank you for being with us this afternoon. Thank you very much indeed. Let's do Day Trader of the Day right now. So go to your main position. And I am up today, up 0.51%. There we go, up 0.51%. And once the first person posts, I will give you a minute and we'll see who wins today. S&P, Rumble still going down, 144 now. Starting to get interesting. Okay, here come the scores, I think. All right, 0.51. Let's put a minute on the clock. Up 0.55. Up 0.91. Very nice. Any more takers? It looks like Stephen Lewandowski is in the lead at the moment with his 0.91. 30 seconds to go. Rumble's now down 1.44. I could buy another 6 shares and take that down again. And it looks like the winner today is, without doubt, Stephen Lewandowski. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. And Stephen, congratulations to you. Excellent stuff. Very nice indeed. So we're watching Rumble right now. If we can get Rumble to go down to somewhere around the 828, around the 8 is would be a really good place. 810, 8, anywhere around here. Time to do it. Congratulations, everyone, to Stephen Lewandowski. 828. It went as low as 595. Congratulations, Stephen. S&P. Rumble now is down 494. May 15th. I'm very interested to cover that. When did it IPO? It IPO'd in of 21. April 12, 21. $8.29. 8.27. We're on a run right now for Rumble. Should we start accumulating now? How many people have we got in the stream right now? We've had 119 through the stream. Thank you very much indeed. 312. We've gained a new subscriber. New all-time record. 7,313. Excellent stuff. Excellent. Thank you. Let me now go and close down the broadcast lounge. There's nobody in there right now, so I'll close it down. All right, there you go. Shot up on last earnings. 8:30. Right. 8:43. I'm slowly nudging in. I'm going to buy a little bit more. Here we go. I'm going to buy a little bit more. Limit order. So we'll call this 8:28. It doesn't matter. It'll go to the lowest price. We'll buy. I've got 6, so I can go from 2% down to 1% down by buying 6. That's $40. Yeah. $5.28. There we go. My average now is 8.34. I bought it at 8.25. There we go, another 6. Got 12 now. What I like about Rumble is it looks like YouTube, it acts like YouTube, except they only have 70 employees. So efficiency-wise, I'm not comparing it to Google, I'm just saying, but 70 employees to produce a service that looks like YouTube. I mean, how many hundreds of thousands? I don't know how many employees. In fact, we can look. How many employees? They are 190,000. Look at this. Google have 190,000 employees. So obviously, there's efficiency savings there. Look, 190,000 employees at Google. And Google own YouTube, and YouTube, Rumble looks like YouTube, and they're doing it with 70 employees. So it just makes you think the potential. I don't know. I'm just looking at it off the face of it, but no. Anyway, so what I tend on doing, I don't know when the bottom is. Nobody does. 8.24. If we look at it over the entire time, it's been lower. It's been as low as 5.95. So let's call it $6. So it's been lower. It popped up as high as 14. Has it got a fair value on it? Fair value rating? No, it doesn't have a review like that yet. All right. I think we'll get off then. We've done day trade of the day. We're going to get ready for Jerome Powell's speech. We'll be back very shortly for that. Now, if you want to be part of it, you want a front row seat, there is the event for Fed Jerome Powell's speech this afternoon. FOMC will be live. There is 3 times there for you. We've got 4 already liked it. Excellent stuff. Let me give that link into Rumble as well. Here is the link if you want to join me for Fed Jerome Powell's speech. Okay. All right, you've all got that? Excellent stuff. Right, Rumble's now 8.25. Whoop. Going up now. Okay. So the idea is what we'd like to do is be able to to add to it when it goes down, take profits, trim off. So the idea is I like to trim half if I make profit. If I can go up today 5%, I would I would sell 6. I would take some profit from it. And then we'll do it again. That's the idea. And on the way down, every few percent, I'll just buy a few more. Sort of double it each time, so that we've got 12 now. If we go down another 2 or 3%, I'll buy another 12, and I'll keep halving my loss all the way down. And then when we get some profit, trim off the top and do it again. That's the idea. And ultimately, then you own stocks that you got for free. That's the idea. I know another one. Live Streamer Cafe. Yeah, ETORO has no employees because we don't pay ourselves anything. So you do. And this is Live Streamer Cafe running right now. Yeah, you're absolutely right. This is Live Streamer Cafe running right now. Let me share with you. There's my own platform. Yeah, there it is right now. Very nice indeed. All right. Rumble now 821. What a runoff today, down 6%. That is quite a steep decline. We've had it before though. Here we went down in a day 12%. Yep, 12% in a day. There. Yeah. Yep. So no doubt about it, it's running down right now. And if we can get Tesla to go to 189, I can sell 2 shares and I'll have some money to buy it on the way down. But something has got to do that first. Right, we're going to get off. We're going to roll the credits now. Thank you very much for being here. And that was the wrong sound effect. Always good to have a cheer though, right? Always good to have a cheer. Anyway, I'm going to get off indeed. It's time to roll the credits. I'll see you all back in a little while for Fed Jerome Powell's speech. Please make sure that you go and continue looping my music. We're up to 3,400. 818, 820 is first support, Matthew Billings. There we go. So we're nearly at the support now if it breaks it. But I'm not buying any more right now. That's it from me. Roll the credits. See you back in a short while. We'll be back for Fed Jerome Powell's speech, of course. I've not turned on the credits. I turned them off earlier. I've got to turn them back on again. How did I miss that? Where's my credits gone? There we go. There we go. Roll the credits again. There you go. Stars of the show. Today we have super chats from Sensei Crypto. Thank you for your support, Sensei. Subscription. Subscription. Is that over on... that must be Twitch. I missed that one, did I? Where did that come from? A subscription. Where did that come from? It's not on Twitch. I wonder what that is. I don't know what that is. That maybe can't be Rumble because I've not linked it to that. Oh, you're on YouTube. Beg your pardon. Members, Paul B, the Church of Logic, celebrating their positions. See you soon, Matthew Billings. See you for the FOMC broadcast. I will be there. You know I will be there. See you all back in a bit. So, thank you ever so much. Please do go and please loot my music on my music channel. 3,400. We're trying to get to 4,000 watch hours so I can do another live concert on Friday. There is my music channel. I'll give it you 3 times. Just pick a playlist and loop it. I really appreciate it. That's it from me. As always, take care of your money, take care of your crypto, take care of yourselves and each other. Be right back in just a couple of hours for the FOMC. You don't want to miss it. It's the big day you've been waiting for. Bye-bye for now.